Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Serge on my Mazda RX-8 channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the leaky radiator, your car overheating and things like that. How to tell you have a leaky radiator. Guys, how to tell that you have a leaky radiator, or at least maybe malfunctioning thermostat in your vehicle. If you're driving a car and your AC is working and all of a sudden it turned off and now it's blowing kind of like regular air, definitely take a look at the temperature gauge, or at least just keep an eye on that. Chances are the reason your AC stopped working because your car is overheating, and the car is trying to use a little bit less energy, I guess, to keep going, and it's no longer blowing cold air. This did happen to me with this Mazda RX-8, and at first I'm like, oh no, now I lost AC, and then I look at the temperature gauge and it started creeping up. At this point, my AC is still working and my battery light just went off. So take a look at it, guys, again. So it kind of comes on intermittently, so sometimes it's minorly low fluid, just came on again, just to let me know, hey, add some fluid. But adding the fluid is not the problem. It's I got a leak towards the top of the radiator, and it's definitely a bad idea to drive with a bad radiator. But I really enjoy driving my Mazda RX-8, and I want to keep driving it. I know that's not a really good excuse. That's just that's a joke. But anyways, I just ordered the radiator, and it already has came in. It's just today I cannot replace it, and I already know that how long I could drive before the car actually starts, losing it, I guess, and getting a little bit too hot. So take a look at the temperature gauge now. It's 181. This is kind of like where I would like to see things, but at the same time, I'm driving on the highway. There's a lot of air that's coming in to cool the engine down, so I think this is why things are kind of staying a little bit cool. And plus, all the water's not gone. It's just a little bit of it's gone. So enough of it's gone to where the sensor is no longer touching the water, I guess, because the radiator light comes on. But in the next video, I want to show you guys how to install the radiator, and it's a pretty big job to try to install it, because you got to pretty much disassemble the whole front end. You got to take your bumper off, and you got to take a lot of stuff off. And chances are, especially if you're living up north, you're going to be breaking some mounting radiator bolts and stuff. So you got to be prepared for that. I'm in the south, so I think I'm going to be okay. I don't think this vehicle has lived its life up north. But I'm definitely excited about changing it, and I will be changing it like in 2 days. And then I want to tell you what I'm going to do to solve this issue, because I do have a leaky radiator. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and see you guys in my next video.